Alwar, being a CEO, what's the biggest challenge that you've encountered founding Fable?
I would say it's been one of the biggest challenges, but also an exciting challenge because we decided really early on with the kind of company that we're building, we're gonna walk the talk and we're gonna be an example of what it means to be an inclusive company, an inclusive team. And so we made sure we have a diverse team. We have many members of our team who live with disabilities, whether that's visible or invisible. We wanted to make sure and showcase that diverse teams produce strong innovation and have a strong culture. But with that, the challenge that comes is workplace tools. Everyone's working remote, everyone's just digital first now. And there's a lot of barriers when it comes to trying to build an inclusive team to just the workplace tools that are out there. You have like CRMs that are not accessible, you have HR tools that are not accessible, you have dev tools that are not accessible. And so that creates a challenge to what people have available internally. And that's something that we're constantly working through. There's only just very few applications, workplace applications that are fully accessible. There are very few procurement tools that are very accessible, hiring tools that are very accessible. So if it's not accessible, what are the workarounds that we can do? Because we're not going to not hire because the tools are not accessible. We're going to find workarounds to it. And I think that's been the challenging part of, really trying to build that internal tech stack so that everyone has information available in whatever format they want and interact with each other in whatever format they want. And so we've had to do a lot of, custom workarounds for some things, but it has resulted in every single person in the team understanding the impact of accessibility and taking that extra initiative to make sure whatever they're sharing with, each other internally is easily accessible to everyone.